Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this REALME. First of all, you need to find and open Play Store. Then tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info, and when it's ready, tap on Open. Now from this app you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!